nothing is everything for sheezy. My block, we probably done it all, homie, believe me. Oh snap, my bad, we on camera. Okay, let's jump into this tutorial real quick. That was a true throwback, by the way. Alright, so first things first. Start off with our famous A flat major or G sharp major. That's A flat, C, and D sharp, or A flat, C, and E flat if you want to stick to that convention. It's going to be played staccato, so you'll just tap the chord. Next chord is this here, G, B flat, and E flat. Just do that. Just like that. Finally, play this F major. Add this F up here. So it's F, A, C, and F up here. So it's once again finally you're gonna play this F minor 7th, I believe it is. F, A flat, C, and E flat. You'll play that staccato. And on the second chord you learned, which is that G, B flat, and E flat, rather known as an inverted G, an inverted E flat major. So I'm playing the E flat up here, the G and the B flat down here. So put together it's alright. Now as you can see, I zoomed in extra close so I could teach you guys this little riff that's played. It's actually pretty cool. It sounds like a blues riff. What's being done is this is all that's being done. It sounds more complicated than it is. It's just that hand is quicker than the eye stuff. But this is what's going on. So I'm playing an F and a B flat. That's the first thing I'm going to do. F, B flat. Then I'm going to play this E flat. So I play the chord. Then I'm going to play the E flat. Then I'm going to play a G and a B flat as if it was a chord. That's a G and a B flat here. You're going to play that with your middle finger and your pinky. So it's set up to where you play the chord with your pointer finger and your pinky. Then play the E flat. Then play the G and the B flat. Then do that again. If you do it faster, as you can see, you can hear that sound, that blues feel come in. So you do it twice. Then you'll jump up and play the first two chords you learned, which is that A flat major and that inverted E flat major. So then you'll repeat from the very top. So after you do this, you're going to jump back and do that again and jump into the rest of the song. And so on. Alright, the left hand is pretty straightforward. A flat, G, F, B flat, E flat. Once again. Then we're going to add a D, a C. Then we're going to jump back up and play that A flat and G again. Then start it again. If you want to be creative, you can add octaves. Alright, now putting both hands together, we've come a long ways. What's going to happen is that the left hand and the right hand are going to be playing the chords at the same time, so that helps us out. So we'll start. Now you're going to let the right hand do its thing. Do that once. The second time you start it, play the D in the left. When you hit the G and the B flat, then you're going to play the C. So it's jump up, add momentum, play the octaves. And so you have it, my block. And while we're on the subject, I'd like to give a shout out to my block, San Diego, California, repping 619. You know, we probably got the best weather in the nation. If you don't believe me, come out here and visit. But anyways, thanks for staying tuned. Please subscribe to my videos. I'd greatly appreciate that. Thanks for all your comments. I'll talk to you guys later.